Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change engine oil on Honda CRV. Now why am I changing engine oil? Let me show you how to know when you need to change the engine oil and engine oil filter. When you turn on your vehicle, especially this 2008 Honda CRV, there is this sign of a wrench right there showing service. So, and then on the little screen there is also a sign showing the oil life is at 15%, and that is what indicating that we need to do an oil change. And in this case we're gonna do oil change and change the filter as well. So first thing first, you need to lace the vehicle. That way we are able to go under the vehicle, access the engine oil pan and the filter. So I'm using these ramps right there. They're easy. You just drive the vehicle on top of them, and then now I have the access underneath. So pop the hood, and here all we need is to open the oil cap. And the reason to remove the cap is to release the pressure and at the same time make it easy to drain all the oil. Now on the cap here you see there is showing the type of engine oil you need for your particular vehicle. In this case I need 5W20, so make sure you have the right amount. And on this video I'm going to show you how you know the right amount of your engine. Make sure you get the right filter, common hand tool. In this case I'm using the DEWALT toolkit. On the description there will be a link where you can buy this kind of toolkit. You also need somewhere to catch the old oil, and I'm placing that on top of something to protect my driveway from having the oil spot on the ground. That is important. So underneath here we have, this is the engine oil pan, the drain plug and the filter. Now to remove the drain plug we need a 17mm socket, and a ratchet. So the drain plug here it's very tight, so if it's super tight maybe you need a little bit leverage, so maybe use a breaker bar which have more leverage, and I'm using a breaker bar and an extension. In this case you can also use a wrench, a 17mm wrench, which can be easy I guess because of the filter kinda on the way when using this system. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Jeff Carbuoy, making introduction now. And this is the old engine oil. Now we're going to remove the oil filter. And the oil filter is supposed to be hand tightened. Sometimes it's super tight, but in my situation it wasn't that it was manageable with your hands. And what you do with the old engine oil, you take it to your local auto parts and they're going to take it back for free, no charge. Now we're going to prepare the new oil filter. How do you prepare? First we need to lubricate, we need to prefill with the clean oil, and there has been debate whether you should prefill your oil filter. Should you or you should not? Let me know what you think on the comment. In my opinion, I'm doing a different video. It's going to be a short video showing my opinion on whether you should prefill or not, and if you should prefill, why you should do it. So make sure you subscribe and follow me. Stay tuned. Also removing that rubber seal right there using the clean oil. Clean out the excess oil, and this filter is ready to go back in the oil filter housing. Make sure you clean up the area with a clean rag. Again, the oil filter should go there hand tightened. Don't use any tool. The next, we're going to install the drain plug. And it's important that you clean the drain plug before you put it back. Also cleaning all the area, and by cleaning the area is going to show you is when you have any oil leak. In case you have any oil leak, it will be easy to note. And now we are done with underneath the vehicle. The next section is adding the right amount of engine oil, and we're using 5W20. Now, how much do you need for your engine? This is a question people normally ask or research. So some people are doing it the wrong way. You measure the amount of oil you took out from your vehicle and use that amount to add the same amount to the engine. That is the wrong method. You could be having oil leak, you could be having engine burning oil, so that is the wrong method. The right way to find out the oil capacity for your engine is to use your owner's manual. So this is a Honda CRV 2008 owner's manual. You go on the back page, and this page has all the fluids and the capacity. Now let's look for the engine oil capacity. It need a 4.4 US quote, and it also show the kind of oil and all the other fluids, the brake fluid, power steering fluid, capacity, and the type. Very important. If you don't have the owner's manual, you can download a free version on Honda dealer's website. Now on the can, on the back of the can, it shows the scale, how all the quotes. So I went all the way, and then when I was on the last quote, I went just about half. And from there, you put the vehicle on the level ground and check the oil level using the engine oil dipstick. Now when you remove your dipstick, it has a scale. In my case here, it has 3 holes. There is bottom and the top, showing maximum, minimum, and the maximum. The one on top is showing the maximum. So you want the oil to be very close to the top, or right on the top hole. And as you can see, mine is right about there. And that's how you check the oil level using the engine oil dipstick. Make sure you're wiping down any debris, that way they don't not falling back in the clean oil. Now remember, we had the dashboard showing why we need to change oil. Now we have to reset that. We have to reset that sign of a wrench there, and reset the engine oil from 15% to 100% oil life. Now how do you do this? You need to turn off the vehicle, put the ignition key to on position like that. Now using this odometer speed dial right here, you press and hold until it starts blinking. When it starts blinking, you rotate the knob until it's the oil life is blinking. Now press and hold, and you hold until you see the oil life change to 100%. And there we go. The oil life on this Honda CRV has been reset to 100%. I'm gonna turn on off the vehicle and start the engine to show you that now the range sign right there is gone and the oil have been reset to 100% oil life. And that's how you do it, guys. All clear. Don't forget one more thing. There is always this sticker here showing when you need to do your next oil. You need to replace that with a new one, and it's in my case 5,000 miles or at least 6 months. And that's how you do engine oil on Honda CRV. Make sure you check underneath when the vehicle is running to make sure there's no leak going on. And again, don't forget to take the old engine oil back to the auto shop next to you, free of charge. Stay tuned, guys. My name is Jeff Carbuoy. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Next video is coming up, so subscribe if you haven't yet and ring that bell.